Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can make your own quick and simple yet really effective panel clamps just out of some scrap metal. So I found this old coffee table thrown out on the side of the road. As you can see, the top is really beaten up, it's in pretty bad shape. So I decided to use the metal from the frame to make these panel clamps. I started off by disassembling the top from the metal frame. Then I could just unbolt the different sections of the frame. The frame was made of this box section, 20mm by 20mm and about 1.5mm in thickness. I decided to go with around 400mm for the length of these panel clamps. I used a marker pen to make some marks on the areas that don't have holes in, and then I could use the chop saw to make the cuts. Now I could get all four pieces squared up and then just nip off the ends to make sure that all four pieces were exactly the same length. If you don't have a chop saw, you could always use a hacksaw. Now I just needed to get them all nicely squared up, ready to make some marks. I used the combination square to get some equal spacing. These marks will be for when I drill some holes in a moment. Then with the square I could just draw a line down, and then again with the combination square find a center point on the end of each piece of metal. Then I could take a punch and punch out that center point ready for the drill press. The chop saw left some burrs on the ends, so I clamped each piece up in the vise and used a file to clean up the ends. Now for the drilling, I'm using an 8mm drill bit and a bit of oil to help the bit go through the metal. The bolts that I'll be using are 6mm, so this will give a bit of wiggle room. Once I drilled the first hole, I could use that hole as a template to drill down into the second hole. The drill left some rough edges, so I have a small knife here and I'm just cleaning up around each hole. Now for sanding, I've got some 240 grit sandpaper. I just want to rough up the surface ready for painting. For the paint, I've got this 2-in-1 primer and paint, and I added a few coats of this black paint. Now I have some 6mm threaded rod, some wing nuts and some nice thick washers. I needed to cut down the threaded rod. I decided to go with 110mm for the overall length, and that will give me about 30mm of room for clamping panels. Now I could just cut down the rod. I've got a bit of cloth in the vise just to protect the threads as to not damage them. I also added a little bit of oil to this blade to help the cuts. Then I could just clean up the rough edges with some rough sandpaper. Now I could just assemble the clamps. The threaded rod goes through with a washer on each end and a wing nut. You could use star knobs for this, but I just wanted to use what I already had, and the wing nut should work just fine. So now for a quick test, I have these rough pallet boards. They haven't been planed or anything, they're fairly straight. And I'm just adding some glue here. So the idea is when you're putting sideways pressure on the boards to prevent them from going up or down out of alignment, these clamps will keep everything squeezed nice and flat, and you'll see how that works now. So I started off by getting them into the clamps and just loosely fixing them. Then I could add the squeeze clamps for some side pressure to get a nice glue squeeze out. And then I could properly tighten up the panel clamps. So once the glue was dry, I could remove the clamps. And the panel was nice and straight, and the panel clamps did their job. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I think these turned out great. They look quite nice, quite expensive to buy. If you're in the market to buy some, why not make some for yourself if you can get your hands on some scrap metal like this. This is a 1.5mm thick steel, and it seems to do the job just fine. The wing nuts seem to work just fine too, no problems at all. And as you can see, I glued up this pallet wood panel just as an example. This hasn't been planed or sanded or anything, it's just the rough wood. I just picked out some fairly straight boards that I could clamp together, and as you can see, they're nicely clamped up, and it's a pretty straight edge considering the wood hasn't even been prepared. As you can see, nice and straight, so that can now be used for something else as a larger panel. So they do work. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.